So we will see how to draw a very simple product we will start with. Okay. So first, let me bring that object over here. So I will insert that image. Yeah, we can start with this one. It is asking for a face. So let's click it. It will ask me for where to place it. So I will keep it on this side little bit. Okay. Yeah. So that at the origin, always try to start your any product design with the origin. It will be very helpful. So just click enter. So you will get that image over here. You can see. And we will start with this base plate. Okay. We will start with this base plate. And we'll do this at start with the origin. Okay. So let's click on the sketch, select this plane. Okay. And you can see the planes are not visible. Here the I button is crossed. If you click on it, your planes will be visible. You can go for different top view, front view at this location. When you click on this home, you will be able to see your front plane, top plane, side plane. Okay. Or specifically XY, XZ and YZ. You can see when I'm placing my cursor on these things, here the color of the planes are changing. Okay. And vice versa. So I have already selected the top plane on which I have to work. So I'll click on that and then I'll click on the top plane. Where is our drawing? Yeah, here it is. This is far away. We cannot drag it closer also, no issue. So what is the dimension? First, initially what we will do, we will draw a construction line just for our reference. So draw a construction line like this and convert this into line type construction. Okay, now you can see it is a dash lines. Okay, now come to here and it is 20 plus 18 plus 18. It will be 56. Okay, so let's make a line of length 56. We will draw on one side and we will just mirror it. Okay, so half of 56 will be 28 and thereafter on this side we need to move 16 and then again 10. 16 and 10, 12, 16, 12, 10. 1, 6. Then from here, I need to move 12. And then at a certain distance, and what is that distance we will see, draw first a horizontal line. Okay. We will start from here and draw a line of length 10. Okay. And we will specify the distance. Click on the dimension. Click on these two. And what is that dimension? We will see once again. It is 32. So you have to make here 32. Okay. Now you can join these two lines. And you can make the figure as a closed figure. Now this is a closed figure. You can mirror this. So this is your mirror command. Click on mirror. Select the object. And your mirror line will be this. Click OK. You will get that base plate. Okay. Once you done this, click on finish sketch and click on this home button. Okay. And thereafter, how much is the thickness? Thickness is 8 mm. So click on extrude. Select these two objects and extend it up to a height of 8 mm. Click OK. Now on this central plane, we need to sketch something. And what is its dimension? Its dimension is 16, 14, 24. So for that, we will first use the project command to get the lines and points across this. By using this project command, you can see we are getting the point and the line projection. Okay, what is the height? 16, 14, 24. 16 on this side. From here, you need to move 14 in horizontal direction. And from this point, we need to go 24 and then close this figure. Now click on this home to have a basic 3D view. Okay. Thereafter, finish the sketch and then click on extrude. And here one modification we need to do: direction. By default, it is one side, make it symmetric. And the thickness is 8 mm. So since we made it as a symmetric, so we will go for 4 mm. Now you can see this. This is the object which you are looking for. Switch off these origin planes. Now see, this is what we were looking for. We will see few more tutorials so that day by day, once you practice it, you will gain some confidence on this software. Okay. So have a nice day.